And got the macro set up with me still, the R7 and the Neewer ring light with the Laowa macro lens. So let's see what we can find. Turn the ring light on. Got it set down to negative 0.3 stops. Just back it off a little bit from its full power. Camera on. We're at ISO 100, 1/125th of a second. And the manual setting for the aperture up here, I don't know if you can see that on the lens. I got an f11. That's pretty much where I keep it. These are some really cool two-tone wildflowers that I don't have in my backyard.